we move for the grant of bail. My client is a former police officer who has a very clean record. He is not a flight risk. Kanina lang may tangkang pagpatay sa kanya dito mismo sa loob ng korte. This shows the level of danger he is facing while in custody.
Your Honor, the evidence of guilt is strong. Ang baril na na-recover mula sa akusado ay nag-match sa ballistics ng bala na pumatay kay Ramon Orbos.
Sandali, hindi ako pumatay kay Ramon.
Order in court.
And also, Your Honor, the alleged attempt on the life of the accused, while unfortunate, is not a legal ground for bail.
Bail is a matter of right only in cases not punishable by reclusion perpetua. Ang kinaso sa akusado, murder. Counsel, you know murder is punishable by reclusion perpetua. Klaro ang batas. Bail is determined by the weight of the evidence and the nature of offense, not external threats. Kung natatakot ang akusado sa kanyang buhay, maybe instead he could request for a protection order. But granting the bail is discretionary upon the court, considering that the charge is punishable by reclusion perpetua. Therefore, the motion for bail is denied. The accused shall be committed to the provincial jail effective immediately pending trial. So ordered.
Judge, wala akong kasalanan.
Sheriff,
Attorney!
serve the commitment order.
Chris, ko na bahala sa pamilya ko. Ikaw na masabi sa kanila. Pero huwag mo sabihin yung nangyari sa akin kanina.